Your entryway is the first impression your home makes. It's the space that greets you and your guests, setting the tone for the entire house. In 2025, entryway decorating is all about creating a welcoming and functional space that reflects your personal style. It's a blend of practicality and aesthetics, making the most of this often overlooked area. We're moving beyond just a doormat and coat rack, and embracing creative solutions that make your entryway both beautiful and useful. So, let's explore some exciting entryway decorating ideas for 2025. Creating a welcoming vibe with color. The color palette you choose for your entryway can significantly impact the mood. In 2025, we're seeing a shift towards warm and inviting colors. Think soft neutrals like creamy whites, warm grays, and earthy tones. These create a sense of calm and comfort. But don't be afraid to add pops of color. A vibrant rug, a brightly colored console table, or a piece of statement art can inject personality and energy into the space. The key is balance, a neutral base with colorful accents. Texture is key. Adding depth and interest. Texture plays a crucial role in creating an inviting entryway. Think about incorporating different materials to add depth and visual interest. A woven basket for storing shoes, a textured wallpaper on one wall, or a soft, plush rug can make a big difference. Mixing textures, like combining wood and metal, or pairing smooth surfaces with rougher ones, creates a dynamic and engaging space. It's all about layering textures to make the entryway feel cozy and welcoming. Lighting up your entryway. Function meets style. Good lighting is essential in an entryway, both for practical reasons and to create the right ambiance. Consider layering your lighting with a combination of overhead lights, wall sconces, and table lamps. A statement pendant light can be a focal point, while wall sconces provide soft, ambient light. A table lamp on a console table adds both light and style. Think about the function of your entryway and choose lighting that meets your needs while also adding to the overall aesthetic. Furniture that makes a statement and stores stuff. Furniture in the entryway should be both stylish and functional. A console table is a classic choice, providing a surface for keys, mail, and decorative items. A bench with storage underneath is a great way to hide away shoes and bags. A stylish coat rack or wall-mounted hooks keep coats and scarves organized. Consider the size of your entryway and choose furniture that fits comfortably without making the space feel cramped. Look for pieces that combine form and function, like a beautiful mirror that also helps you check your outfit before leaving the house. Creating a focal point. Art and decor. Adding a focal point to your entryway can instantly elevate the space. This could be a large piece of art, a gallery wall with family photos, or a striking mirror. Choose pieces that reflect your personal style and create a visual impact. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and sizes to create a unique and interesting display. A well-chosen focal point can make your entryway feel more personal and inviting. Greenery and nature. Bringing the outdoors and adding plants to your entryway is a great way to bring a touch of nature indoors. A large potted plant can make a statement, while smaller plants on a shelf or console table add a subtle touch of greenery. Consider low-maintenance plants that can thrive in the often limited light of an entryway. Plants not only add beauty to the space but also help to purify the air, creating a healthier environment. Storage solutions. Keeping things organized. A well-organized entryway is a happy entryway. Think about incorporating smart storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Baskets, bins, and shelves are great for storing shoes, bags, and other items. A key holder or mail organizer can help keep things tidy. The key is to create a system that works for you and your family, making it easy to keep the entryway clean and organized. Personal touches. Making it your own. The best entryways are those that reflect the personality of the homeowner. Add personal touches that make the space feel unique and special. This could be anything from family photos and travel souvenirs to artwork and decorative objects. Don't be afraid to display items that you love and that tell your story. These personal touches will make your entryway feel warm, welcoming, and truly yours. Mirrors. Mirrors everywhere. Mirrors are a fantastic addition to any entryway. They not only help you check your appearance before leaving the house but also make the space feel larger and brighter. A large statement mirror can be a focal point, while smaller mirrors can be used to create a gallery wall. Consider placing a mirror near the door to maximize its functionality. Rugs and mats. Adding comfort and style. A rug or mat is a must-have in any entryway. It helps to protect your floors from dirt and wear, and also adds a touch of comfort and style. Choose a rug or mat that is durable and easy to clean, as this area is likely to see a lot of traffic. Consider the size of your entryway and choose a rug or mat that fits comfortably without overwhelming the space. Small space solutions. Making the most of limited space. If you have a small entryway, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to make the most of limited space. Choose slim furniture, like a narrow console table or a folding bench. Use vertical space by adding shelves or wall-mounted hooks. A large mirror can help to make the space feel bigger. The key is to be creative and think outside the box. DIY decor. Adding a personal touch. Don't be afraid to get crafty and add some DIY decor to your entryway. This could be anything from painting a piece of furniture to creating your own artwork. DIY projects are a great way to add a personal touch to your space and save money. There are tons of DIY ideas online, so get inspired and start creating. Conclusion. Creating a grand entrance. Your entryway is more than just a passageway, it's the first impression your home makes. By incorporating these entryway decorating ideas for 2025, you can transform this often overlooked space into a welcoming and functional area that reflects your personal style. It's all about creating a balance between style and practicality, making the most of the space, and adding personal touches that make it feel like home. So, get creative and make your entryway a grand entrance. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.